Equipment deals, we have a Kobelco SK140, which is about a 135 sized excavator. It's got a pretty nice undercarriage on it. I believe it's 24, 28 inch pads. We'll show you the measurement on that. It's showing 9,400 hours on it. I'm not sure that meter's working, but we'll go ahead and show you that anyway. Has aux hydraulics, has a pedal in the cab for the aux hydraulics. Have not hooked up anything to it, but I'm sure they work. Nice trenching bucket. It's a 30 or 28 inch bucket here. No, 23 they call it, or they call it a 23, 24. Nice teeth on the bucket there. Tracks are in good shape. Width, got 27 and a half, so call them 27, 28 inch pads. Nice undercarriage, buckets are in good shape. Rails in good shape as well. Spent a lot of time just digging. It's got a little bit of residual moisture coming out at this point. It had some dirty oil, which had been cleaned up. Really helped that, and it just needs to be run and burn that all off. Stick and boom are in good shape. Some of these rings can be re-welded on with some new ones, and it probably needs some spacers as well. Some shims as well in this bucket here. That's pretty common to a camel wear item. Interior is in pretty decent shape. Floor is in good shape. Again, 9,400 hours on it. 9,469. That's what it's got. 9,469 on the hours. And that meter must be working because I took a picture. It was a 9,468. So it must have been 9,468.9. So it must be working because I've been out here for about 0.1 hours. Go ahead and take a quick little video here of this machine working, operating, and so you can see this thing. Let me first get a blow-by video just so you can see this machine has got no blow-by. It's pretty important to people. As you can see, it runs pretty good, pretty clean, no residual blow-by. Oil's clean in it. Got a little bit of blow-by bucket out there, but I think most of this is just moisture. Most is probably just moisture from it sitting. It has not been operated in quite a while, so probably could burn off a lot of that. The turret and the valve bodies down here are not leaking. They're in good shape. Got a little bit of residual oil here on this seal. I think it just has some dirt in it. It probably could be cleaned out with a shim seal. New batteries. Different teeth on it as well. This side panel has a little bit of some roughage on it. Someone cut it up a little bit. SK135. Excuse me, I said SR140. It's a SK135 SR. So really in pretty good shape. Now I'll go ahead and show you a quick little demonstration of this unit. Let you see it in action. Let you see it works out really well. There you have it, boys. If anyone needs a nice, decent little 135 machine with a nice undercarriage and needs a little bit of TLC there on the shims and stuff, nothing major, give us a call, 972-666-9501. This unit's located in Lufkin, Texas, and it's got loading docks here and all sorts of ways to get this thing moved. So if you're interested in the unit, please give us a call. Love to sell you a nice little 135 here that runs out just fine. Again, our number is 972-666-9501 or 1-855-EQ deals. Thank you.